Hello everyone, welcome to History Aura. We will study a few important points about the Vedic civilization, so let's begin.
The term Vedic is derived from the Sanskrit word Veda, meaning knowledge. After the Indus Valley Civilization, a new civilization emerged in India, known as the Vedic or Aryan Civilization. The word Arya refers to language and means noble or superior. In classical culture, it signifies a virtuous person. The Vedic period is divided into two phases. According to Winternitz, early Vedic or Rigvedic period 1500 BC to 1100 BC. Later Vedic period 1100 BC to 600 BC. Iron was found in Atranjikhera, Uttar Pradesh during the Later Vedic period. That's why we saw 1000 in between two phases. Rigvedic period defined as tribal, pastoral, nomadic society.